In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Superset account. Whether you're looking to close your account for privacy reasons, or you simply want to stop using the platform, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your email and get ready to contact Superset support. Once you're there, look for the option to compose a new email. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, address your email to support@jointsuperset.com. This is the official support channel for handling account deletion requests. In the email, clearly state that you would like to terminate or delete your Superset account. Follow the on-screen prompts in your email client as usual. It's straightforward and user-friendly. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you include the email associated with your Superset account, provide your username if possible, and keep your message polite and concise. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent delays in processing your request. Once you've sent the email, you'll need to wait for a response from Superset support. After that, they will process your deletion request. Keep in mind, even after your account is terminated, some or all of your data may still remain visible to others, especially if it has been shared on third-party platforms or retained for legal and business purposes. It's also a good idea to review any sensitive information you've shared before sending the request, just to stay on the safe side. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to request the deletion of your Superset account easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.